Equation for velocity-time relation. Consider an object moving with a uniform velocity u in a straight line. Let it be given a uniform acceleration a at time t is equal to 0 when its initial velocity is u. As a result of the acceleration, its velocity increases to v, final velocity in time t, and s is the distance covered by the object in time t. The figure shows the velocity-time graph of the motion of the object. Slope of the vt graph gives the acceleration of the moving object. Thus, acceleration is equal to slope, which equals ab, which equals bc upon ac, which is equal to v minus u whole upon t minus o, where a is equal to v minus u whole upon t. This equals v minus u equal to at. v equals u plus at, which is the first equation of motion.